The Human and Machine project is an ongoing experiment. It's a prototyping session, it's a performance art piece and a theater piece. So basically the idea of Human and Machine was to lift the technology up on the stage and use the stage as a sandbox, as an area of experimentation. My name is Robert Bolin and I am the writer, the director and the performer in this piece.
Hello, my name is Michael Schade and I'm an interaction design student at the Chalmers University of Technologies in Gothenburg. And I joined this project as part of my master thesis, but mainly because I'm interested in exploring and especially closing the gap between complex technology and on the other hand the intuitive character of interaction.
Initially we had some difficulties with getting the project rolling since we lacked the common language. With the help of Carl Heath, who was the producer, we managed to sit down and pace ourselves basically step by step, trying to understand, trying to develop new tools of writing, new tools of explaining what for my sake, what I wanted the robot to do, how I wanted it to work, without going in and forcing the construction, having an open mind and make it possible for the technology not only to do my bidding but also change the narrative and the story of the thing that we were working on.
We started our first prototype with a simple robot arm, but we pretty soon realized that this arm is way too small to put it alone on the stage. So we came up with this crazy idea of putting the robot upside down on a 2x2 traverse where it can move in X and Y direction, and this makes the expressiveness of the robot much more equal towards the actor.
There has been some artistic challenges in the project. As a writer, to write a piece and develop it when we get to know what we can actually do with the technology. Make it more simple and then more complex as we go along. As an actor, to be connected with a robot through biometric sensors and through neural sensors, where suddenly my body has to be used in completely different ways on the stage. How do I do this? How do I make it work? How do I make it natural? Or how do I make it interesting? How do I make it carry the story along?
From the beginning on, we wanted to make this project an open source project. That means we only wanted to use affordable technology that makes it possible for everyone to reproduce our experiment at home.
This is also the reason why we have been working with an open process blog, a co-creative process. The Human and Machine project is a continuously developing narrative, and for every iteration, every prototype session, we have met the audience, we have showed where we are at the moment, what is happening at the moment artistically and technologically, and we have gathered feedback. Now we want to involve the audience more in the story, to make the whole piece much more interactive.
Yeah, and therefore we would like to hook up the participants to various kinds of sensors so they can influence the storyline directly.
This will be the next part of the experiment.